Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azrin Natasharina binti Zulkifli, metric number 293115. I am going to presenting an estimation technique called POCR planning. So basically, what is POCR planning? POCR planning is a tool to estimate the duration, effort or cost that will be driven in one project. Planning POCR is a consensus-based estimating technique. In Agile project, it is used to estimate the product backlog. Story points, idea days, or any other estimating unit can be used with planning POCR. How POCR planning work? Basically, the whole team member will gather together and will given a card that consists of numbers, just like the figure above. There are several steps to do a POCR planning in our project. Step 1. The product owner of the person who's responsible for delivery will read out a user story or project requirement to the team member. Step 2. The whole group will discuss the story. They will ask a question in order to understand the requirement and the technical nature into potential risks it might be. In step 3, after the whole group has heard the story and understand the project, each team member independently picks one planning POCR card that represents the assessment of how long the task will take. In step 4, when the team member have selected their estimate card number, they will turn over their card and show to the team. If there is already consensus, if everybody plays the same card, they are done. However, that rarely happens on the first round. Some people will have a significantly larger or smaller than most of the group. So those people in step 5 will explain their reasoning and the team will ask them a question to understand their thinking. When everyone is satisfied and understood, in the step 6, they repeat the secret voting process. If that doesn't produce consensus, then in step 7, they continue repeating the process again until they reach the consensus. In step 8, when the consensus reach, the product owner will record the consensus estimates on the user story card and they will move on the next story card. Finally, step 10, they take all the estimates and use that as the basis for planning the next stage in the project. POCR planning has advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of POCR planning is encourage a collaboration. It will foster a collaborative where all team members contribute to the estimation process and ensure the diversity perspective are considered. Second advantage of POCR planning is it builds consensus. This technique helps team to reach a shared understanding and agreement on a task estimates that leading to better alignment and commitment. However, the disadvantage for the POCR planning is time consuming. The process can be lengthy, especially for a large backlog or complex task, as it involves a multiple round of discussion and estimation. POCR planning also requires full participation. This technique relies on active participation from all the team members, which may be challenging if some members are less engaged or unavailable. That's all from me. Thank you.